first visit to Earth, is it, by any chance?
I've always said that deep down, you really are quite a nice... So, we're in the mood for now. Alcohol. Salutaria. I am an angel, you are a demon. We're hereditary enemies. Get thee behind me, foul fiend. After you.
Even if this all ends up in a puddle of burning goo, we can go off together.
Go off together? Listen to yourself.
How long have we been friends? 6,000 years.
Friends, we're not friends. We are an angel and a demon. We have nothing whatsoever in common. I don't even like you.
You do.
Is you hear me? I can hear you. I just need to find a receptive body other than your head. I do need a body. Pity I can't inhabit yours. Angel, demon, probably explain. Come up with something, or I'll never talk to you again.
When the next day's awaken, my head is aching and the sheets are empty. You are gone. So buy me a ticket for the next train to the city, where my friends are waiting to leave this town. And I feel it coming with the wind of this morning, as it takes me away from you. 'Cause another time's waiting, another door's waking. There's no road that leads me back to you. Oh, good lover, you keep me with a smile, you keep me hanging on to you.
You can't leave this book.
You break my heart in two and I can't get enough. Good lover,
Nothing lasts forever.
the smile, you keep me hanging on to you.
And I would like to spend.
Break my heart in two and I can't get enough.
I mean, if Gabriel and Beelzebub can do it, go off together, then we can. Just the two of us. We don't need heaven. We don't need hell. They're toxic. We need to get away from them. Just be an us. You and me. What do you say?
Come with me to heaven. I'll run it. You can be my second in command.
It's going to make a difference.
I like to think none of this would have worked out if you weren't at heart just a little bit a good person.
And if you weren't, deep down, just enough of a bastard to be worth knowing. Cheers.
That certain night,
To the world.
the night we met,
To the world.
there was magical